Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Is your PS5 showing error code WS-116489-9? You might think your console is broken, but in most cases, it's just a network issue. You can fix this easily at home without a technician. I've compiled verified solutions from Reddit and PlayStation forums that are 100% tested. Watch this video to the end to get your PS5 back online. If you have questions, drop a comment below. And if this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Now let us understand the problem first. Error WS-116489-9 usually appears when your PlayStation 5 fails to communicate properly with PlayStation Network servers. This does not always mean PlayStation servers are down, most of the time. The issue exists between your console, your internet router, and your internet service provider. This error is commonly triggered by incorrect network configuration, temporary PlayStation Network sync failure, router cache corruption, DNS mismatch, or unstable Wi-Fi connection. Now let us fix it properly, step by step. First solution, check PlayStation Network server status. Open your mobile phone or computer, open any web browser, type PlayStation Network service status, and open the official PlayStation status page. Check if account management, gaming and social, and PlayStation Store are showing green status. If any service is showing red or yellow, then the issue is on PlayStation side. In that case, you cannot fix it instantly. You must wait until servers are stable. But if all services are green, then move to the next solution. Second solution, restart your PlayStation 5 properly. Do not use rest mode. This is very important. Press and hold the power button on your PlayStation 5. Wait until you hear the second beep, then release the button. Unplug the power cable from the back of the console. Wait for at least 60 seconds. This clears internal temporary cache. Now plug the power cable back. Turn on the console and check if the error is gone. If the error still appears, move to the next solution. Third solution, restart your internet router and modem. This step fixes the issue for a huge number of users. Turn off your router, turn off your modem, unplug both devices from power. Wait for 2 full minutes. This waiting time is important because it clears router memory and resets IP assignment. Now plug the modem first. Wait until all lights become stable, then plug the router. After internet is fully restored, turn on your PlayStation 5. Try connecting to PlayStation Network again. If the error still shows, continue watching. Fourth solution, switch from Wi-Fi to wired internet connection. Wi-Fi is convenient, but it is not always stable for consoles. If possible, connect your PlayStation 5 directly to the router using a LAN cable. Now go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Settings, then go to Setup Internet Connection. Choose Setup Wired LAN. Select Automatic. This allows the console to configure network settings automatically. Many users confirmed that this error disappeared immediately after switching to wired connection. If you must use Wi-Fi, then do this next step. Fifth solution, change Wi-Fi frequency band. Most routers support 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. 5 GHz is faster, but it has shorter range and unstable walls penetration. 2.4 GHz is slower, but more stable. Log into your router settings using your browser. Look for wireless settings. Force your router to broadcast 2.4 GHz only. Then reconnect your PlayStation 5 to that Wi-Fi network. This fix has worked for many users facing random PlayStation Network connection errors. Sixth solution, manually set DNS on PlayStation 5. This is one of the most effective solutions. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Settings, then go to Setup Internet Connection. Choose Setup manually. Select Wi-Fi or LAN depending on your connection. Choose IP address settings as automatic. Choose DHCP as automatic. Now when you reach DNS settings, select manual. Set primary DNS as 8.8.8.8. Set secondary DNS as 8.8.4.4. These are Google public DNS servers. They are fast, stable, and trusted. Complete the setup, test connection. Many users on Reddit confirm this step alone fixed error WS-116489-9. Seventh solution, disable IPv6 on your router. Some internet service providers enable IPv6 by default, but PlayStation Network still works better with IPv4. Log into your router admin panel, find IPv6 settings, disable IPv6, save settings, restart router, reconnect PlayStation 5. This fix is especially effective for users using fiber connections. Eighth solution, update PlayStation 5 system software. An outdated system software can cause network authentication issues. Go to Settings, then System Software, and finally System Software Update and Settings. Select Update System Software. If an update is available, install it. After the update, restart your console. Test the PlayStation Network connection again. Ninth solution, sign out and sign back into your PlayStation Network account. Go to Settings, Users and Accounts, Other, then select Sign Out, restart your PlayStation 5. Now sign back into your PlayStation Network account. This refreshes account session tokens and fixes hidden authentication conflicts. 10th solution, change internet connection environment. This is a powerful testing method. Connect your PlayStation 5 to a mobile hotspot temporarily. If it connects successfully using mobile data, then the issue is confirmed to be with your home internet. In that case, contact your internet service provider. Ask them to refresh your public IP address. Many users fix this issue permanently after an IP refresh. Final solution, restore default network settings. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Settings, then go to Advanced Settings. Reset network settings. Reconnect internet from scratch. This removes corrupted profiles and rebuilds network configuration cleanly. Now let us talk about important things you should avoid. Do not factory reset your PlayStation 5 unless nothing works. This error is almost never caused by hardware failure. Do not panic, do not rush, follow each step calmly. In most cases, one of these solutions will fix the problem completely. Now a quick recap. Restart console, restart router, use wired connection, change Wi-Fi band, set manual DNS, disable IPv6, update system software, refresh account login. These are proven fixes used by thousands of PlayStation users worldwide. If your problem is solved, please comment solved. If not, write your issue details in comments. Mention your internet type and connection method. I respond within 1 hour. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. More real solutions are coming soon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Final solution, restore default network settings. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Settings, then go to Advanced Settings. Reset network settings. Reconnect internet from scratch. This removes corrupted profiles and rebuilds network configuration cleanly. Now let us talk about important things you should avoid. Do not factory reset your PlayStation 5 unless nothing works. This error is almost never caused by hardware failure. Do not panic, do not rush, follow each step calmly. In most cases, one of these solutions will fix the problem completely. Now a quick recap. Restart console, restart router, use wired connection, change Wi-Fi band, set manual DNS, disable IPv6, update system software, refresh account login. These are proven fixes used by thousands of PlayStation users worldwide. If your problem is solved, please comment solved. If not, write your issue details in comments. Mention your internet type and connection method. I respond within 1 hour. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. More real solutions are coming soon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.